Your BMW side mirrors can be electronically adjusted using the button located on the inside of the driver's door. First, switch the toggle to the left or the right to select which mirror you would like to adjust. The angle of the mirror can then be moved up, down, left or right using the corresponding arrows on the adjustment button. Leaving the toggle in the right-hand position enables a convenient auto-dip feature. When reverse gear is selected, the passenger mirror will automatically tilt downwards to give a better view of the curb and any surrounding obstacles. Toggling the switch to the left will disengage this feature. The wing mirrors can be folded in by either pressing the fold button on the driver's door or pressing and holding down the lock button on the key fob. The rear view mirror can be easily adjusted by hand to achieve the desired position.